Why you're missing your target audience and how to fix it. Imagine you're giving a speech at a conference, so the majority is your target audience. Think broad, male, female, age range 18 to 45, income 25 to 100K. During your presentation, you address common struggles in fitness. You ask for people with trouble finding time to work out to raise their hands, and about 45% of the crowd raises their hands. People with trouble building muscle to raise their hands, and about 25% of the crowd raises their hands. You'd have to create different content strategies that would relate to either of them, right? And an easy way to do that is through buyer personas, fictional characters within the broad market you serve. For example, Tom is a busy dad. He struggles to find time to run his online business between work and his family. Tom's pains might be struggling to find time for content creation. He's overwhelmed by learning scripting, editing, recording, doesn't know the proper frameworks to communicate his value, and he probably has a limited marketing budget. One of his goals might be to establish authority in his niche, generate leads through content, create consistent content without sacrificing his business operations, and of course, building a sustainable content strategy. Based on what you now know about Tom, you'd probably create content differently for busy dads compared to different age groups that have more free time on their schedule. So how do you build the best buyer personas for your audience? If you already have an established audience of several hundred or thousand, you could try polls, questionnaires, Google Analytics to track your website, social media insights integrated into your platforms. Or if you're just getting started, you could use HubSpot's Make My Own Buyer Persona, research your niche, and fill out the questionnaires to build your own fictional characters. Creating effective audience personas isn't a one and done task. It's an evolving process that demands constant attention and refinement. As your audience grows and changes, you must experiment with different persona types to see which ones really relate and resonate with your community. The power of well-crafted persona types is their ability to connect with specific groups of people, unlike broad, generic strategies that fail to resonate with anyone. Think of it as the difference between having a focused one-on-one conversation with someone and shouting into a crowd and hoping somebody listens. Check the description for more tips on attracting specific audiences. And that's